can't tell whether or not you didn't get enough sleep or you've been crying. You can feel the need to explain, but I'm just saying, I just know I have not been a big this morning.
Team led by Matt Castle. It was Castle's first start as a Cowboy. New York leads the division by 1 game at 4-3. Mr. Smith, what's your takeaway?
Hello, Casey.
My condolences to you. It's been about a month, right? 4 straight. It's been about a month since we won the game. You know, listen, the Cowboys were incredibly competitive. I do understand. You know, Matt Castle threw the 3 interceptions in the second half. The pick 6 by Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie, I actually did not blame.
No, we stay away from the fireplace, Casey.
That was his
We
fault.
do.
Terrence Williams should have ran a
Casey?
best route. He did not do so. He allowed DRC to step right in front of him. Pick 6, we understand it. The other 2 interceptions, right along